Hi guys, and hello here from Punta Cana, all you can see. Today with the seagrass sargassum report, special report number 2. Today I'm walking at the beach Arena Gorda, which is going down from the Hard Rock. I'm right now at the Bahia, and you can have a look how the seagrass situation is if you are planning vacation, one of these hotels up here. If you like it, please give me a like. So next time I walk another 3 hours for you at the beach to show you where you can go. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel if you want to find some cool things that you can do here while on vacation. For backpackers as well, I have some cool tips for you where you can stay overnight, where you can eat out. Everybody that loves the Dominican Republic, find something here at the channel Punta Cana, all you can see. Let's walk the beach, let's have a look. Happy 4th of July here from the beach of Riu Republica. I'm here to show you the seaweed situation. Here you see the Hard Rock. And here you see the ocean, which is pretty cold for a 4th of July. Just next to the Riu Republica, the adults only, is the Occidental Caribe, and this is the beach. Look, it's quite wide, and they have some seagrass, but not too much. It's actually quite beautiful. When you come to your resort to check your water sports here at the Occidental Caribe, it's Mariana Water Sports. They have a couple of things included, and other things you have to pay additional. For example, if you want to ride a banana, this costs some money. The kayaks over there, they're included. You can take them out. You just have to register with them, and there you go. As well, of course, you can do some parasailing here, make your booking. You can learn how to dive, or if you're a certified diver, you can dive here. Make your appointment, check out the dive sites, dive excursions, whatever interests you. And this is the beach today, 4th of July. Happy 4th of July, everybody. Royalton and Punta Cana. This is the beach today, July 4th of July. You know, the water here in front is not really clear. That happens usually when we have a storm passing by or something. The waves, it's just sand coming up. Over there, you see, that's where we're walking to, the Seagrass Mountains, and I want to have a look around the corner and see how it is there. Just next to the Royalton and Punta Cana, you have the Majestic Resort. And look over here, they did clean the beach and they have the seaweed over here, but we go around the corner and check out how the beach of Majestic Resort is looking. We're looking at the Majestic Colonial, which is still closed, Majestic Elegance, and Majestic Mirage Beach. We just passed Majestic Colonial, which is still closed, and we're walking the beach of Majestic Elegance, going towards Majestic Mirage. You see there's some seaweed in the water, but you can walk through and then go to the part. Here today, 4th of July 2021 in the Dominican Republic. of course, here at the Majestic as well, there is a water sport base where you can go and rent the kayak or take out the little hobby cat or have someone taking you out. This as well, you know, you can escape the seaweed like these guys over there. Go behind it, or they are just coming back too. This is free with your stay, so go and check it out and paddle behind the seaweed. I know I'm on. Changing from the Majestic over to the Royalton Bavaro. We have a little bit more seaweed over here. We just walked over from Royalton Bavaro to the Bahia Resort. You know, it's quite big. It has a lot of hotels, so a long stretch of beach. And as well, here's my tip. Go down to the water sports, take a kayak, take a canoa. You see there is seaweed, but you can go in the water if you're, you know, if you want. Go behind the seaweed. Punta Cana, all you can see. We just arrived here at the beach of the Riu Palace, Punta Cana. Have a look, that's the seaweed situation today over here. Behind the Rio Resorts, there's the Iberostar, followed by the Ocean Blue and Sands, Vicarena Blanca, Cayena Club, Punta Cana Princess. This is as far as I'm gonna walk today. Gonna turn around now, but I let you have a look at the beach today. 4th of July 2021. Seaweed report number 2. Okay, turning around to the Bahia Resort and walking slowly back along the beach.